What's up?
Yeah. Look at that!
Fuck!
Did you see that?
Holy shit!
He fucking came out of the water at my walleye.
Yeah.
That was unbelievable.
Fucking cool.
Get the net.
That was fucking. I got it.
I know. Just
Where's the fuck is he?
Just keep it up.
I got it, Lex. Bring it over here. There he is. Oh, baby!
Have you guys ever seen what just happened?
That was
that his walleye that did that?
Unbelievable! Jumped out of his walleye.
My walleye out of the water,
Here,
and the
pull him up.
fucking northern flew out of the water and hit it
That
in
was
the air.
awesome.
He was completely out.
Damn it! Did you
We
get
might
that
have
on
that
video?
on video, yeah.
Did you get it on video?
We might.
You might have.
Oh, fucking
That's awesome. Here,
Can you just stop?
pick him up.
Oh, he's a monster.
That's fucking heavy.
That was a three part.
I got a monster walleye in here. Yeah, this is loving this now.
Well, that was pretty fucking awesome, though.
Yeah, I know.
Damn, that was awesome.